Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Many apps and services rely on location data to provide personalized and location-specific information. For example, weather apps can deliver accurate local forecasts. Food delivery apps can determine the nearest restaurant, and ride-sharing apps can match users with nearby drivers. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can go to the settings on your device. And then here you can scroll down and select location. So after that, here you can click location services. And then click on Google Location Accuracy. Well, and here you can activate this feature by tapping this button. Well, and the location on your device is successfully improved. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.